Hello, I'm Sylvia. This is Sharon. You are 1/CA003. I'm here to explain my 10th networking program. It's based on the Wireshark application. So now let me explain. I've already downloaded my Wireshark legacy, and now let me tell how I worked with it. And so first I'll be connecting it with Wi-Fi. So I'll be giving Wi-Fi, and I'll be giving start. I'll get these things. Now I want to as per the thing, I want to know my DNS server thing. So I'm just first selecting a page, that is any page which I want. So I'm just selecting this page, and now I'm going to type DNS. I want the DNS of that page. So DNS. So now here I've got all these things. Now I should select the packet packet 1 in that. So okay, now we'll go to the questions, and it's asking me first the MAC IP address of the client. MAC IP address of the client it's asking me. So IP address, here it is. So this is my MAC IP address. This is the destination address and the source address. So this is about my this, and next question is about what is the content of the type. What is the content of the type in the Ethernet frame? It's asking me which type of frame it belongs to. So here we are in Ethernet. It is of type IPv4. So this is about that question, and let me go to the next question. IP address of the first DNS packet sent by the client. It's asking me the IP address for the DNS packet. The length of the IP address it's asking me. So here is my internet protocol. Here I'll just go click here. It's telling me the header length is 20 bytes. That is, header length is 20 bytes. That is about the length of the thing. Identify the protocol field, and what is the number of this it's asking me. So my protocol field is UDP, and my protocol field, just a minute. So this is about the protocol. My protocol field will be UDP, that is here, user datagram protocol. This is my this, and source port is 33, and my destination port is this. So this is my protocol. This is the question. And now next, let's go to the next question. It's asking me explain the UDP header of the first DNS. Identify the protocol port number and the server well known. What type of application layer is in the payload? That is only our UDP that I've already explained here. My source port is 53, and my destination port is this. So this is my application protocol layer, which is being used in this page. Then next is about it's asking me the confirm the length of the field of UDP. That is, I've already explained UDP port number, source port, and the destination port, and the length also I have told. And internet protocol version is 4. I've already explained that. So now let me go to the next question. It's asking me what field indicates whether the queries. It's asking about the queries. So we'll have a thing for queries. Let me explain that. So here is our domain name system queries. So if we go inside this, it will tell us this thing. So here it is. Request number in request in is 301. Then the transaction ID. So let me explain that. First, they're asking me what is the request number. So it is 301. Transaction ID is being asked, flags is being asked, and all these things. So all these things are here. Transaction ID is 0x1f17, and what are the questions and what are the answers for that, and what are the queries, etc. is being displayed here. So next, what is the query queries? What is the thing they have asked? So let me tell that. So here it is. Alternative name servers. Sorry. here it is. This is the thing, karunya.edu, type of class, what type of class it belongs to, and what is the class in or etc. will be displayed here. So this is about the thing, and now let me explain about this transaction ID. I've already explained, and what type of field also I've already explained in the thing. So now it's asking me the UDP length. This and all is already explained. I've already explained it here. What is the IP address of the packet? They are asking Ethernet. The Ethernet packet. This is the IP address, the destination address, and the source address is here. And and they have asked the length of the UDP. That also I have explained. The total length also I have explained. Going on to the sixth question, they have asked about the TCP segment. First TCP segment. Till now we were seeing about the DNS segment, DNS server. So now let me explain about the TCP server. For that, first I should be searching for the TCP server. So I'll just type here TCP and I'll give enter. I'll get all the TCP servers thing, and I have to first I have to select the first packet in TCP. So I just got. We need the first packet in TCP, so I am just selecting the first packet in TCP, and now let me tell all the answers for these TCP servers. So they are asking me what is the source, internet, Ethernet, and the IP address of all those things. So here it is. Sorry. So here it is. Ethernet source address is 2C.:33. This is the source address, and this is the destination address. So this is about the thing. Now let me explain about the next question. It's asking me what is the initial sequence number. What is the length of the TCP? What is the length of the TCP client server they have asked. So client TCP client server. TCP is here. TCP is here. Let me TCP is length. TCP length is 0 here, and header length is 32 bytes, and all these things comes here. Source port, everything comes here. This is about that question. Now let me explain about the next question. What is the initial sequence number? That I've already told. What is the window size and the maximum segment size they have asked, and find the XR character they have asked. So let me tell that. My window size value, they've asked for my window size value, so that is 257, and XR decimal and all those things they have asked me. So it is XR decimal will come under the flags. So flags is here. So here it is, hexadecimal and all those questions which they have asked. So here we have to search for the flags. So this is about the thing. Similarly, we will be carrying on with all other questions. So this is about the UDP and TCP and DNS server, how to calculate the IP address, and how to use that in the Wireshark. So this is about my 10th program. Thank you.